Good morning. Today I am going to explain to you how to remove the jam paper and how to replace the teflon film in HP LaserJet 1020 printer. In this 1020 printer, the paper got into the printer. How to remove this printer paper and also why which is happening? Because of teflon sheet weak or the teflon sheet liquid, that is this liquid got solid, so that which is happening. Then how to replace the teflon sheet into 1020 printer, I am going to explain in this video. For this, your required items are one teflon sheet paste, that is fluids, then one teflon fuser film, one star screwdriver, one minor screwdriver, and one brush. If you have blower, well and good. Alright, first I am going to open this printer. See, there will be 1, 2, 3 screws. First, remove the screws. Yeah, remove these 3 screws. Then take this minus, just lift, wash your body, right? Then take this top cover. There you just lift. Yeah, there you just lift, then remove one side cover, this is one side cover, right? Clean this cover. And clean this area. This is formatter board. In this board only we are generally used to connect this USB cable. This is very important board. This is only supporting you to give the printout. Then I am going to take out this. See, just then to open this, see, you will be having then just lift up back side. Yeah, that's all. Yes. Slowly do this. Yeah, use this minus. This size minus is very important. Don't take big minus because handling is very tough. This type of minus handling is very easy. Then remove the dust. Yeah. See, this is the back side. Take this minus, keep here, just lift up. Just lift up. Right. Likewise, keep here minus, then lift up. Yeah. Then remove this. You have to maintain this area very carefully because this area is having more sensor. The sensor is easily breakable. Right. So you have to maintain carefully. When you want to clean this area, you have to gently clean this area. So you should not roughly clean this area. This is very sensitive section. This is very sensitive section. So, right? Okay. Then clean this. While you are dismantling, that time itself, clean everything. Right? So, 3 sides. This is this side, and back side we removed. We'll come to this top. See, this things I am going to remove. Before that, I am going to take out the jammed paper. So I am taking out the cartridge. Taking out the cartridge. Right? After take out the cartridge, I am going to remove the paper. Right? Okay. Then there will be 2 screws. 1 screw, 2 screws. I am going to remove these 2 screws. Right? Okay. Then see, this is the cartridge holder. This is cartridge holder and making the cartridge to get rotate, and which is closely linked with this gear section. Closely linked with this gear section. So to remove this, so take this minus. See, simply keep the minus which is coming out. Then take this, right, and place once again. Otherwise it will be get disappear. Right? Okay. Now I am going to remove this. That's all. Okay. I have removed this top cover. I have removed this. This is side cover. This is back cover. This is top cover. Right? I have removed 3 covers. Left side, right side, back side, and top cover. And you need not to remove this cover. You need not to remove this cover. This is we don't want to remove. Because when you want to clean the laser unit, that time only we have to open this area. Now we don't want to open this cover, right? Let it be. Now come to this section, right? This is the wires area which is closely associated with the fusor film unit. Closely associated with the fusor film unit. Then I am going to plug out the cable one by one, right? There are 4 cables. I am going to plug out the one by one. Just I am going to remove this. Right? Yeah. This is the thing. Teflon. What is plummed? This is the plummed cable. So take this minus. See, minus should be very thin. Then only you can easily handle. Keep top. See this video. See this carefully. See, keep top. Give little bit pressure and pull back. Push back. Right? Push back. Then these cables came out. Then remove this cable. Remove all the cable. Right? There are 4 sets of cable. Right. Okay. And see, here one screws, here one screw, here also one screw, here also one screw, here one screw, here one screw, here means I will explain. See, here one screw, here one screw, here inside one screw there are 3 screws which is tightly maintain the user unit. So I am going to remove these 3 screws. Yeah. See? Yeah. So remove the cable, everything, then take the flame unit. This is the fuser flame unit. Now keep this flame unit, take this base and keep aside. This is the unit we are going to today service, right? So this is having plumb and pressure roller and teflon sheet, right? First we have to remove these 2 screws. Carefully watch this. We have to remove these 2 screws. So I am going to remove these 2 screws. These screws little bit different from available another screws. These screws easily you can find. These screws easily you can find. See, little bit different. This screw little bit different. Okay, right. Then remove this and clean immediately. Don't clean any parts roughly, clean softly, right? So this is the teflon sheet, this is the pressure roller. So first I am going to separate the pressure roller and plumb and unit. I am going to separate the pressure roller and plumb and unit. Plumb and unit itself, the teflon film is available. Teflon film is available. See, for this, take this minus, remove this spring. Little bit tough. So take careful, right? Maintain it properly and turn back this side, right? Yeah, that's all. Now you can take this. Before this white cable, that is plumb and cable, you have to properly dismantle. Yeah, this is the fuser flip. This is the pressure roller. Generally, if pressure roller got weak, you can replace the pressure roller. Here the pressure roller is very good. Here the pressure roller is very good because the surface and all very neat. There is no bulge, there is no peel, there is no extra projection, nothing is there, which is very good. So I am going to keep as it is. So if need I am going to clean the inside if need. But here it is very clean. So but generally you should clean this, right? Okay, keep as it is. Keep as it is. So this gear and this gear should be side because we should not place ulta. Should not place ulta. You should not place like this. Should not place like this. Will disturb you, right? So the simple way to keep your mind is these 2 gears should be aside. These 2 gears should be aside. Okay, let it be. Now I am going to replace the film unit, right? See here, just remove and keep. Remove the film, right? Okay, this has to be clean. See, take one cloth, wet into water and remove the water, then take the cloth, clean this very perfectly. Clean. Right? 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 Take this teflon. This is new teflon. Right? I am going to use this new teflon. Right? Let it be. Then take this paste, which is heat adjustment paste, right? And give the fluidness to your teflon, which is to rotate very easily. If you are not applying, the paper won't come out. This is very, very important. Then you have to apply little bit more also. Then only the life will come more and more and more. Buy this in terms of bottle. Then only you can apply freely. Generally, the teflon people used to give one small amount. That not won't be enough. But they will think that will be the enough. But according to my experience, we have to apply little bit more. Then we'll give the life, as well as paper will come very smoothly out. So apply all section. Apply a little bit freely. Apply all section. Keep it here. Then take this teflon. Apply little bit inside. Use quality teflon. The teflon cost minimum should be 300. Maximum it can be up to 400 or 800. See, insert this cable and allow your teflon to go inside the plummet, right? After this, take this section, clean this also. Clean this, see? Clean this, right? Clean this and take and place. Yeah, see, the cable should be like this, like this, like this, right? Okay, this teflon area, that is fuser film, which is ready, right? I am going to fix into the fuser film unit. Fuser film unit. I am going to close this, right? Take this, keep like here. See, this cable has to be like this. Yeah, put it properly. Yeah, got sync, right? Okay. Then you take this spring. Before that, this, take this. This should be like this. This end towards this side. This end not towards outside, towards inside. This section towards inside, right? Okay. Yeah. See, fix it. Now I am going to fix the spring. See, just elongate. Yeah, and get right. Take this side. This should be inside. This should be inside. Right? Take this. Yeah. Okay. Right? Now, that's all. Okay? That's all. Then take this cover. Place this. There is two holes. One and two holes. The same things here also, two options. So that option go inside. That option go inside. Yeah. See, yeah, go inside. Then it will come like this. Then give little pressure. It will get locked. You will get sound also. Locking itself, you will get sound. Right? Close the screw. Tightly close the screw. Give a little bit tight. Give a little bit tight. That's what I am using a very big and strong screw driver rather than this. This won't give that much tight. Okay. Now the unit is ready. Okay. See, I am going to fix it to the take this unit. I am going to fix, right? If possible, if need, clean little bit because this printer is very nice, clean. So I don't want to clean more. See, take this. Gear section should be this gear section. See here, this is gear section. See, I'll once again. This is the gear section. That gear section should match with this gear section. See, once again. This is the gear section. That gear section should get matched with this gear section, right? Okay. Take this. Place like this. Yeah. Okay. That's all. There are 3 screws, 1, 2, inside one. See, I am going to take this one screw. First, I am going to put it top. This top. This is number 1. This is number 2. That only number 3. This is number 2. Use magnetized screwdriver. Yeah, number 2. This is number 3. This is number 3. Yeah. Now you can give the tight. Initially you should not tight. Parallelly you have to tight all the screws. Yeah. That's all. Okay. Yeah. We have replaced the teflon. Now I am going to fix this cable. Take one. Right? How you have removed, the same way you have to fix. So while you are taking, you should be very careful. If it is little bit difficult, take everything is in terms of snaps or video. Then you can play it back. Then you can do it easily. Take everything is in terms of snaps or for photos, or first take this blue wire. This is the filament wire, right? Keep like this. First fix. That's all. One wire got complete. Take another one, right? See, then fix. Then third one wire. Right. Then fourth one. Yeah. Check properly. All the cables are gone inside properly. Right? Otherwise the system won't work. Otherwise the printout you won't get. Paper may get take, but you won't get the printout, right? Okay. Then finally take this filament cable. Yeah. Give little bit pressure and bring like this. And take this, place like this. Yeah. That's all. Now we assembled the fusor film unit into the printer. We assembled the fusor film into the printer, right? Which is good, very nice. We did very nice and simple, right? Okay. Take the top cover, place like this. Take the top cover, place like this. Yeah. Then very careful, right? Take this and place inside and take this. Yeah. Okay. Then you remove this and place here. Very careful. I am tilting because of to show in videos, but you need not to tilt like this. Right. Okay. That's all. 2 screws you have to place. Take 1 screw. Yeah. Place 1 screw and 1 screw gone down. Yeah. And place another screw in top, not top, in next straight. Then keep parallelly. Then give little bit pressure. Yeah. And give 1 more pressure here. That's all. See, close this. This has to get closed properly. This has to get closed properly. Should not be any upside or downside. This should not be not like this, right? It should go properly. It should go properly. It should go properly. Yeah, right? Okay. Then take this back cover and fix. See here, very simple. This. So go to inside. You keep like this. Keep like here, then give pressure, move little bit up. Yeah, see, move little bit up, move little bit up. Yeah, that's all, that's all. Okay, these screw holes should be visible. Screw holes should be visible, right? Okay, take this one cover. This is one side. Keep here. That's all. Then place the screws. Place the screw. This screw little bit different. Okay, this screw like earth screw, like a earth screw. Yeah, take this section. So you have to start from here. Okay, that's all. Right? Okay, take the screw. Close this. Yeah, we have finished. Change the teflon. Here we solved 2 problems. Paper jam problem. As well, why which is happening this paper jam problem? Because of this teflon sheet got teared or without fluid inside the teflon sheet, it won't get rotated and allow the paper to go outside of the printer. So that we have applied the fluids. Lot of fluids we have to apply. Then we replace the fusor film, that is teflon sheet. Then I fixed everything. Now I finished, right? Now I finished. Now our printer is in correct methods, right? This is the way to replace the Teflon sheet. Now you can use use this printer and connect the printer, take the printout, see the quality, see the outcome, how which is coming out, which is coming smoothly means you did the job very nice and perfect. Thanking you. We will see in the next video with the next problem. If you like my video, put like, share to your friends and subscribe my channel, because I used to give printer, laptop and related problems I am giving. So it will be more useful for your printer maintenance as well as laptop maintenance and CPU maintenance. Thanking you. Have a nice day. Welcome.